Hello friends, welcome to Aditya Herb Mathematics. In this video, I will start a real analysis problem series solutions on the topic sequence and series. In this series, I will cover solution of all the entrance examination problems like CSR NET, GATE, IIT JAM, JEE Main, Advanced, BHU, CMI, and more than 100 questions I will solve in this problem series. Now see the first problem. And all the solutions we will use only shortcut methods. Okay, now we'll solve this. It is the first problem of my problem series on the paper real analysis, and topic is sequence and series. And this question is CSR NET recent question, which is 2019 December. And in this all solution of the problems, I will say the solution with its trick and its concepts. Question is, what is the sum of the following series? One series is given 1 by 2 into 3, 1 by 2 square into 3. It is not decimal, it is multiplication. 1 by 2 square into 3 square, 2 cube into 3 square, and it is an infinite series given. For an infinite series, you have to determine its sum. Out of the 4 options, which one we will choose? Correct answer. So first I am writing the question what is given. Then after that you can see in the first term 1 by 2 into 3 is common. In the second term 1 by 2 square into 3 square is common. And similarly in the nth term 1 by 2n into 3n is common. So I am taking here common. If 1 by 2 into 3 I will take common. This one and it is we are taking 1 by 2 into 3 common, but it is 2 square, so remaining 1 by 2 will come. Next term similarly 1 by 2 square 3 square, when we are taking common, first term is 1 and the second term in the bracket is, because it is cube, 1 by 2 will come. Similarly in the nth term 1 by 2n into 3n you can take common, so that we will get 1 plus 1 by 2. Now you can see in every term 1 plus 1 by 2 is common. Also 1 by 2 into 3 is common. In all the terms. Total there are infinite terms. Out of all these infinite terms, we can take common 1 by 2 into 3 into 1 plus 1 by 2. After that, here you are taking all the terms common, so that you are getting 1. And here it is 1 by 2 square into 3 square, but we are taking 1 by 2 into 3 common, so that 1 by 2 into 3 we will get. In the next term you can see here it is 2 square 3 square, so obviously the next term is 1 by 2 cube into 3 cube. So when we are taking 2 into 3 common, this term we will get 1 by 2 square into 3 square, and total there are infinite terms, so here we are writing dot 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 because it is infinite series. Then it is 1 by 6 and 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Now multiply this one, 1 plus 1 by 6, you can see it is 2 into 3 whole square, so 6 square up to there are infinite terms. Now here I will say the trick. It is the sum of infinite series 1 plus r square up to infinite terms, then its sum value is 1 by 1 minus r, but the main point you have to remember, r must be lies between minus 1 and 1. That means r belongs to minus 1 to 1, or also you can say mod r is less than 1. So that r value must be minus 1 and 1. So in that interval, first we will check whether that series we got is given or not. You can see that r, if you compare with the question, what we got, it is 1 by 6, 1 by 6 square came. That means r value is 1 by 6. And you know that 1 by 6 is lies between minus 1 and 1. So that we can apply this series. You have to remember this infinite series, and this is very helpful whatever infinite series question given. So So that 1 by 6, 3 by 2, and instead of this infinite series, now we are writing 1 by 1 minus 1 by 6. Just in r place we are putting 1 by 6. So that 1 by 6, 3 by 2, it is 1 minus 1 by 6 means 6 minus 1 is 5 by 6. Now its reciprocal is 6 by 5. So here you can cancel 6 and 6. So 3 by 10 we are getting. And which option is given 3 by 10? Yes, option B. So in this question, option B is the correct answer. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe our channel. Then when I upload that problem 2, in total I told more than 100 problems I will solve on the sequence series. And if you can know the solution of all these 100 problems, then easily you can solve any question you are getting in any entrance examinations. Also some matrices short trick playlist link is given in the description section. You go and watch all the videos, sure you will get some short tricks. And also you are watching but not liking our videos. Your one like motivates us to upload more videos and give more short tricks. So please like, comment and share. Thank you friends.